Hello everyone, hope you're right. Today in this video, I'll show you how to Pinterest to claim your domain. So let's start. First of all, go to the Pinterest account. This way, so come, then go your Pinterest account and go my Pinterest account. So I need a claim domain. That's why first of all, go to the your business hub. Then you can see analytics to overview. Just click overview. Hopefully you can see left button to show conversion insight. So I need a clean domain. That's why click just conversion insight. Then you can see two options like uh, install the Pinterest tag and claim your domain. So right now I need a claim domain. That's why I just click in claim domain and hopefully you can see claim account. That's why just click claim and hopefully you can see three options like HTML tag and uploaded HTML file as well as add txt record. So I working with HTML tag. So just click this text and copy. Then go to the your website. So hopefully you can see this is my website and this is my website backend section. Then you can see appearance. So just click appearance. Okay. Then Then hopefully you can see theme file editor. So just click theme file editor. If you want, you can use plugin, but right now no need plugin. I show you just how to set up. And hopefully you can see paste the tag into the head section your website. So I select in header.php. Then you can see head section. This is opening head. So just enter to enter and to enter. Then you can see just paste here and just update file. You can see file edited is successfully. Then go to the your Pinterest account, then continue and need to verify. So just copy your domain and paste here. Hopefully you can see verification. Just click in verify and you can see your all set connected. So thank you so much watching for my video. If you need any help, you can feel free contact me. As well, if you have any question, you can, no problem. If you want, you can contact me like WhatsApp, Facebook ID, and my Facebook page. If you want my previous work, you can visit this website. So thank you so much. Till then, take care. See you another video.